Hello, everyone. So we are here. We are back with the fifth part of the five-part series that I have been making for you guys to let you know more on what we can do about our child and how we can go towards recovery. Okay. So as the fifth pillar of the Autism Success and Recovery Program, we have um, we have maintenance as the fifth stage. Okay, so what maintenance does is it gives you tips and tricks and tools and a solid guideline that you will follow for your child for, I would say, pretty much the rest of the life. Why? Let me give you a solid example that you'll understand. For example, if you want to lose weight and you have been on a clean diet, you're not eating junk food, you're not eating the bad foods and whatnot, and then you start losing weight, you feel good, life is great, good, and then you lose the 10 kg or whatever pounds that you have been losing, and then you start eating back those bad things again. Will you be able to hold on to your good weight? I didn't think so. So just like healthy lifestyle works, this has to be part of your lifestyle, and it's not that easy to do. Trust me. If you search for my client testimonial using hashtag testimonials in the group, you will see so many ways that your brain will be like, how is that possible? Yes, it's possible. It's just mindset shift, and it's making sure that you have systems made inside of your lifestyle. You have built, if you are following so far, you will have built the routine for how the breakfast goes, routine for the meals, how they goes, routine for the snacks that you prepare, how your child is eating. Your child will already be inside a routine that you have developed for him, that we have developed for him. Should you be working with me, I will be helping you to develop a routine customized for your child, which will be easy for you to maintain, which will be easy for you because it will be built for you, for your life, for whatever you are going through. And it will make sure that it's easier for you to maintain and sustain. Because another thing, once you actually let go of the carbs, it's not that hard to stay on track with them. As long as you just make sure you follow the tips of not eating burgers in front of your kids. If you want, really, you can have it once in a while. And even me, I give my kids cheat days. They have like one cheat meal, which is usually Friday night or Saturday lunch if we go out and eat. So that's when he gets to eat the regular food that we sometimes enjoy. But apart from that, most of the time he will actually crave the food that he has been eating so far. Your child will be craving the food that he has been eating so far. So it won't be that hard, actually. It will be contrary, it will be actually easy to maintain. So what the maintenance does is it's a solid structure for the rest of the life. It gives you enough support, enough ideas on how you will be maintaining the food, maintaining the lifestyle, maintaining all the things that is essential for the ongoing recovery and ongoing success of your child. Because one thing, over here, we are not actually trying to change our neurodiverse kids into neurotypical. What we are doing is we are empowering our neurodiverse kids to become the best version of themselves, to learn, to understand, to communicate, to work as a perfectly able human being. Okay, that's what we want, because it's actually easier to pave your child for the road rather than pave the road for your child. It's so much easier to change the lifestyle, change the diet, rather than be the advocate and fighting for his rights, fighting for grants, fighting for so many therapies and whatnots, which ultimately might not be really helping your child in the first place. Okay, that's food for thought. I would invite you to give some thought to this, because sorting out the root cause, removing that thorn stuck into your child's throat will actually be making him eat stuff, so to speak. So if you remove the root cause, if you help the root cause, if you make sure that a lifestyle, a protocol is built for your success, for the success of your child, and you are given all the tools to empower you so that you are able to take care of your child's all the needs, then life becomes a lot more easier. Okay, life becomes a lot easier, parenting becomes a lot easier. You're not stressing so much, you're not losing your zest for life, you're not feeling like all clogged up, all exhausted, all brain fog and whatnot. Okay, trust me, that's not, I understand you, I was there. It's not a very nice place to be. What's nice and what's easy is to sacrifice a few months of your life to invest in yourself and your child, to make up the mindset to really help your child in the way that's effortless, that's simple, that's built for you, and that understands you and give you the deep, deep support that you really need for being the best parent for your child. Okay, so make sure that you keep following us, keep following me, keep following the Autism Success Academy, because over here we teach you to achieve transformational recovery for both you and your child. With that being said, I am very close to the end of our 5-part series. I hope you get recovery. I hope you get health. I hope you get freedom, because you deserve it. Welcome to the rest of your life.